Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Today I just wanted to share with you what I'll be making and showing you how to make if you need it, or I can make it for you. All you have to do is contact me. I'm actually getting ready for a vendors event that I have coming up, my first vendors event, and I am designing and making my very own tablecloth that they put on around the table. So I just bought a beautiful tablecloth from Walmart, beautiful black, and it was only like $12, and I'm going to actually decorate it and make my own cloth. So I'll show you the results of that. And like I said, you can do this yourself to save a lot of money, or if you want me to do it for you, I'll be more than happy. And not only can I do that for you, I can etch glass for you, I can do mirrors, I can do car advertisement, I can make a whole magazine if you need it. Anything that has to do with graphic design, I am your lady. And you can contact me on these platforms. Here's my number. This is my Facebook. That's my IG. One of my emails. The other email is Miss Carolyn Young and this is my website, clearlyclassiccreations.com. Miss Carolyn Young at gmail.com, or Carolyn Young T-Shat at clearlyclassiccreations.com. I have to double check that one. That's my newest one. But I'll go ahead and design what I'm going to design with the gold, and I'll come back and I'll show you how I'm going to place it, and then I'll actually place it and show you the beautiful results that I haven't even seen yet. So we will unveil them together. So right now I'm basically, I got my gold design cut out. So I'm basically just plotting. Some people call it plotting, some people call it weeding. So that's what I'm doing. And this is what it looks like so far. I have some extra I need to get out. That little extra right there. So I'm going to go ahead and weed these all out, and I'll be back. Weed or plot. I just want to finish this one. Got that plotting done. This gold looks so good. So now I'm going to see how we're going to put this all together. I have everything ready to go on the tablecloth. I am going to start out using my iron just on a hot, dry setting with no water, no steam. And I'll be using my Teflon sheet to cover before I do any ironing. Now I'm not putting these decorations on the top of the tablecloth. I actually have to get it around the edge. So I have to find my middle point, which is right here, I know for sure. And this will be my middle point on any table, how it doesn't matter the size of it. I know that's the middle point. So I'm going to be working my way kind of like to the middle out, I think, I hope. So I can make sure that I have it in the middle. I don't know how I'm going to actually, I want this in the middle, but I don't know how I'm going to incorporate all the other stuff, because I do have some sides over here as well. So I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. But after I get it on the material with the iron, I am going to go over it with my heat press to seal it in. Because if I just put it on with the iron, it's not going to stay. It might hold up for a day, but if you wash it, that's it. But you have to heat press it. So I can't wait to show you the results. I have everything placed the way I want it. Where's my tape? One moment. I taped it down with this heat resistant tape. I think I have it about in the middle where I need it. So what I did was I pulled the tablecloth up on the table so I can work and find my middle point. And now let's slide it down and see how it's going to actually look after I iron it. I just wanted to get it on. Let's see. Oop, don't come off. Sound like you're trying to come off. I wanted it at the top. I didn't want it right on the very edge, so I did skip about 2.5 inches. So let's see how that looks. And I think that's going to be pretty cute. It's definitely better than not having anything at all. And I did want to incorporate this. I'm not going to do it in this video. I don't want it to be too much. I may just keep that. But I may end up putting this on the side. And since I love working my design and my work is so full of color, I may even do another color, maybe a blue for the other side. But that looks pretty good. So that's how you can find your middle point and tape it down. And I'm going to pull it back up on the table and actually start my ironing process. So I'm not going to iron it on camera, but I can tell you that for the glitter, you do have to have the iron as hot as you can get it. It's really better with a heat press, but this is so big I can't fit it in a heat press like that. So I have to get it on here first, and then I can put bits and pieces of it in the heat press. So I will show you the actual final results. Well, I think I can show you some. I definitely have the iron on the hottest setting. Have my Teflon sheet on. So I'll just show you this little area here, so we can see. I'll let you see the peel process. So I'm just going to iron over it for a little while. I don't even know how long, but it has to be hot like the heat press. And that thing can go up to 500 degrees, but I set it on like 350 or less, depending on what material I'm using. Now this material, I didn't look. Let me see what it is. I don't see the tag, but this is what it looks like. You can see through it a little bit, but not that much. It's like a woven material. But I want to see how well it's going to work. It's going to work for what I need it to work for. Okay, now we can do a little test. Show it off. So it's hot, definitely hot enough. Let me make sure that my camera is turned around. Look like something happened to it. Oh, okay, there it is. Let's check this one. And what I'm going to do, see, you see how that is not coming all the way off? So I need to do it a little longer. I'm actually going to, because I don't want to put this, one moment. I don't want to put this back over that, so I'm going to use a piece of parchment paper and put my Teflon sheet back on. See, I'm working with one hand, trying to do that in the camera. So I'm going to continue to iron, and I'll be back. Now, I'm not ironing over the part that I put the parchment paper on, but just in case it got on there, I didn't want it to stick or anything. Let's try now. I don't know, my camera keep turning on me. So that's better. I'm going to go ahead and get all of this done and show you what I do after I take it off. Take the plastic sheet off, protected sheet. Okay, now that everything is off, I'm going to go ahead and kind of seal it a little bit. But I have to put the parchment paper on, then the Teflon sheet. This is just to keep it sealed in before I put it on the heat press. And what I found out with this particular glitter that I have and this particular material, it kind of responds better to a warm peel versus a cold peel. So that means, for those of you who don't know, that instead of waiting for it to cool all the way down before you peel off the clear coat, top coat, whatever you want to call it, you can do it while it's still warm as soon as you remove the iron from it. And look how beautiful that is. I wish you can, let me turn the light off and see if you can see it better, see it the way I really see it. It's just all shining and just glistening and look good, so good on this black. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and finish and then hang it back down on the table and see how it looks. Final product, guys, and it really looks great. So let's go ahead and pull it down and see what it's going to look like. I really don't want to overdo it, so I am not sure. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. That looks really good. I don't want to overdo it, so I don't know if I'm going to incorporate this on the sides or not. I might, because it still might look good, but I really don't know yet, because my table gonna have little diamonds and everything on it. Actually, they have one for me, and I'm bringing one. Ooh, so I don't know. I don't want to overdo it. What do you think? Leave some comments in the comment section below. Should I just keep it like this with just the front decorated, or should I incorporate this logo as well on the side? One in red and maybe one in blue glitter. But thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you need any work done at all, anything that has to do with graphic design, even graphic design that you might think that some people don't do, I'm sure that I can get it done. Glass etching, can put your face in a mirror, advertise on the back of your car window or your business hours. You can advertise your business hours. Please like, share, subscribe, and have yourself a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day.